I see you in the waiting. I see the nights you stayed awake, wondering when things will finally change. I see the prayers you whispered when no one else was listening. I see the tears you tried to hide from the world. And I want you to know this. Your waiting is not wasted. You may feel like you are stuck, like life has paused, like everyone else is moving forward while you are standing still. But what you don't see is that I am working in the unseen. While you are waiting, I am preparing. While you are trusting, I am building something greater than you can imagine. You are not behind. You are not forgotten. You are not overlooked. You are in a divine process. I am shaping your character. I am strengthening your faith. I am teaching you patience, endurance, and trust. Because where I am taking you, you will need everything I am building inside you right now. If I gave it to you too soon, it would break you. If I opened the door too early, you wouldn't be ready to walk through it. If I answered your prayer immediately, you might miss the deeper blessing I have for you. So, I am asking you, trust me in the waiting. I know it's hard. I know you don't understand everything, but you don't have to understand to trust me. My plans are still good, my timing is still perfect, and my promises for your life have not changed. What feels like delay is actually divine alignment. I am aligning the right people, the right opportunities, the right timing. I am closing doors that would have hurt you. I am redirecting paths that would have led you away from your purpose. Even when you feel nothing is happening, everything is coming together behind the scenes. You are not wasting time. You are being prepared for purpose. In this waiting season, I am drawing you closer to me. Because more than anything I can give you, I want a relationship with you. I want your heart. I want your trust. I want you to know me, not just seek my blessings. Don't let frustration take over your faith. Do not compare your journey to others. What I am doing in your life is unique. Their timeline is not your timeline. Their path is not your path. Stay focused on me, because I have not forgotten what I promised you. Every word I have spoken over your life will come to pass. Every dream I placed in your heart has a purpose. Every prayer you prayed, I heard it. And I am answering, even now. But I answer in ways that protect you, grow you, and position you for something greater. So instead of asking, why is this taking so long? Start declaring, God is working even now. Instead of saying, nothing is happening, say, something powerful is being prepared for me. Shift your perspective. Because your waiting season is not empty, it is full of purpose. I am teaching you to trust me when you can't see. I am teaching you to walk by faith, not by sight. I am teaching you to depend on me, not on circumstances. And when the time comes, when everything is aligned, you will look back and realize that every moment of waiting was worth it. The breakthrough will come. The door will open. The answer will arrive. And it will be bigger, better, and more perfect than anything you could have planned on your own. So don't give up now. You are closer than you think. Hold on to your faith. Stay in my presence. Keep praying. Keep believing. Keep moving forward, even if it's just one step at a time. Because I am not just working on your situation, I am working on you. And I never waste a season. Your waiting is not punishment. Your waiting is preparation. Your waiting is purpose. And your waiting is not wasted. Trust me, I am writing a story in your life that will inspire others, strengthen your faith, and reveal my glory in ways you cannot yet see. Stay faithful, because what I have for you is coming. If this message spoke to your heart, take a moment right now to like this video, subscribe to Daily Message from God, and share it with someone who needs encouragement today. Comment, I trust your timing, God, to declare your faith, and let this message reach more people who are waiting on God's promise.